sakes, I thought the bird wasn't going to move.
Oh, listen to that big engine. Got a, I wonder if it's got double decker. Yep, double. Look.
Oh,
Double decker ones.
oh, look. Look at an old truck
Look at
front.
this. Oh, the graffiti.
Oh, wow.
The double decker trains.
That'll go good on YouTube.
Double decker
Did
trains.
you get that, like the truck front on that one? I put a truck front. Was it a truck in it? On it?
Look at the size of these things. They're massive.
Oh, wow.
It's picking up speed now.
Look at that. Oh, that's like the refrigerated trucks.
Oh yeah.
That's what they are.
Lindsay Rural.
Yeah, fresh. Wow, this is forever.
How many more, you reckon?
I don't know. They're still coming.
Still coming.
Oh my God, that's the longest train on the planet.
It's still going.
Oh my God, that's incredible. And one engine pulls all that.
No, it's two engines.
Oh, it's two engines.
Yeah.
Wow, that's ridiculous.
Still going. Still going. It's still going.
Oh, that's incredible. It's still going.
What, more double decker
Oh
ones?
my God. This train's never going to stop.
Imagine how much freight is on there though.
Oh my God. Did you film it from the beginning?
Yeah. We've been going for 3 minutes 30 seconds so far. We've been standing here watching this train. This is enormous. So what town are we in, Liz?
Crystal Brook.
Crystal Brook. Watching the train go
Watch
past.
the train. That never-ending train.
Never ending train. Now we're coming up to the end now. Oh, there's some steel there. Steel. What's in all these containers, do you think?
Oh my
Here we
God.
go. Here we
It's
go.
the
Here we
end.
go. That's the last one.
The last one.
That's the last one. And there you go. 4 minutes